Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Joseph. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing a new package that just arrived. I can't wait to show you what's inside. I've been expecting this for like ever, and it just came and I'm so excited. So I have the 28-inch Easy Pro Deep Softbox here. I'm going to bring it out of the box. And it's in another bag, which is branded, the logo on the front. And it has a handle here that you can hold or strap, for easy carrying. And it has the zipper here where you can open and then bring out the octa. So there's another rubber right here, which has the diffusers in there. I'm just gonna place this down and we're gonna open it. So the reason why I love this FotodioX modifier is because of the way it was built. It has a couple of locks here that fastens this in place, and so it doesn't, it won't come off easily because of the way it was put together. And this, you have this here where you can loosen, which will allow you to spin it all around, just in case you want to turn this around, or you can tighten it all the way and it doesn't move. But the interesting thing is, compared to my other octa where I had to fix the rods, this is already fixed, more like an umbrella. And so all I have to do is just open it up, and with a little pressure, I am able to fix it in just a few seconds. All I have to do next is just close this edges right here, like so, and I'm done. You can tell it just took me a few seconds to put this together. And I'm gonna fix the diffusers. It has an inner baffle and then an outer one. So I'm gonna put it together and I'll show you how the complete setup looks like. So we're gonna put this together. So just pick one end, stick it, and we're just going to go around like that. It's quite an easy process, and when you do this once, you don't have to do it again. I normally leave the inner baffle inside. It's just the outer one I take out and put back in the bag. We fixed the inner baffle, and I'm just going to add the outer one. So I'm just going to also align that. I'm going to start off with the first corner right here, and I'm just putting it down inside like so. So once you're able to put this together, and say you're shooting at different locations, maybe within the same location, you're shooting at different spots, you have to pack it down, lift it, put it together again. But then this is where the magic truly comes in. So all I have to do is just open up these Velcros, put my hands in there, collapse it in seconds, pack it to my next location, open it up, in a few seconds, snap it together, and I'm already good to go. You can tell this took just a few seconds, and so I'm not wasting my time, I'm not wasting my client's time, I'm not wasting anybody's time on set. And you notice if you're able to put this up in seconds against the traditional one where you fix the rods, it takes about 15 minutes or something. Sometimes you need extra hand. So if you're shooting on your own, it's portable, it's easy to put together, and saves a lot of time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. If you haven't, hit the bell icon to be notified of my next videos, and I will see you in the next one.
I think you're gonna have to be gentle. We're gonna have to go.